Hello delightful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Trust you are doing amazingly well today. In today's cooking video, I'm so excited to share with you how to cook delicious rich oha soup recipe you have been waiting for. So if you want to learn how I made this beautiful soup, keep watching. We will start by boiling our cocoyam or ede. In a pot, add the cocoyam, set on a stove to boil on a high heat until it is done. In another pot, I will add some washed beef. Then I will also add some washed assorted meat. In here, I have shaki, roundabouts, and some other parts of cow intestine. Next, I will also add some pre-cooked pomo, that is cow skin. I wash this pomo thoroughly before adding. Then I will also season with some beef seasoning powder and yellow pepper for heat and for extra flavor. I'll also season with salt for taste. I'll mix everything together thoroughly for it to combine. Then cover, allow it to cook for 15 minutes on low heat for it to release its own juice. While the proteins and the cocoyam is boiling, I will wash some dry catfish and okporogo, that is okporogo head, with hot water. Next, I will check on the meat. After 15 minutes, it has bring out its own liquid. So I will add the washed catfish and the stockfish. This stockfish is screaming, oh, have mercy, but we have to enjoy, okay? Then I will also add some washed dry goat meat. Feel free to use any combination of proteins you like, okay? So I also add some blended crayfish mixed with Uziza seed. The flavor it gives to the soup at this point is top notch. And add some water, cover to cook for 10 more minutes. Next is to peel and blend the cocoyam. You can use achi or for as a thickener. So guys, for more interesting videos, subscribe, like, share, and ask questions in the comment section. Thank you. To all my subscribers and returning viewers, I love you so much, okay? Next is to blend our cocoyam and pepper. You can pound or use your food processor to achieve this, and use the amount of pepper that you want, okay? Add a little water to help the blender do the job. So after 10 minutes, the stockfish and the proteins have cooked halfway. I will add more water. The amount that will be enough to make the soup proper. Then I'll cover, leave to boil for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, I will go ahead to add Ogiri Igbo. Some blended crayfish and palm oil, and I will also add the blended cocoyam at this point. Then add little water if necessary. Cover, leave to boil on a low heat. So at this time, I will slice some Uziza leaves. Uziza leaf give oha soup a distinct flavor, so don't miss it when you are cooking oha soup, okay? See how beautiful and delicious this soup is looking. It's so yummy. Then stir to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. add the Uziza leaf is good to add at this time, so it will release or infuse the flavor in our soup. Next is to clean and cut our oha leaf. I'm separating the leaves from its stalk. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Next, I will shred the oha leaves with my hands, just what I'm doing now. Please don't slice the leaf with knife. It will make your soup turn black, please. I'm through, so I will go ahead to wash and add the leaf to our soup. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other cooking videos, okay, for more delicious idea. Thank you. So after you've added the oha leaf in our soup, stir to combine very well, okay, then cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Oha leaf looks tender, but you need to cook it for a while, so to prevent it from turning dark a while after cooking. This has happened to me severally, so I've learned my lesson. So try it and give me feedback in the comment section, okay? Now we are going to test and adjust for seasoning if needed. I added a little bit of salt, then I will stir to combine. Cover and allow it to simmer for a few seconds. Then our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and see you in my next video.